everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm doing this video from the House of Tools workshop. We'll be doing a lot more videos here because there's a lot more room to do stuff. Anyway, today I have this nice tool here. This is from Swiss Tools. It's a PB Swiss. They call it a basic set of 9, and this is part number PB8215. And what we have here in this nice box here is I think they call it a leatherette case, but it's a snap case, and we open this up. It's got some screwdrivers in here, and it has a main handle. It has 2 micro screwdrivers, and these are size 0 and size 1, and then we have size 2, 3, 4, and 5. And these all clip into the handle here, and I'll just grab number 5 here. Also has a nice serrated part here, so if your hands are greasy, you can spin much quicker. Has the quick lock right here, and the way theirs work is when you put it in, you just push it in. If I can just do this correctly, there we go, and it clicks. And when you go to pull it out, it has some resistance, so it's not going to fall out, but if you just pull a little bit harder, it pops right out. So once you have it lined up all the way, it pops in, doesn't easily come out, but when you want it to, you can pull it out. And it also comes with 2 Phillips here. This is a Phillips 1 and 2, same idea. These just, if you line it up properly here, they just clip right in and clip right out. Sometimes it gets hung up on this little extra spot there. So I think it actually has, there you go, it has to line up properly. That's what I was doing wrong. That keeps it from spinning once it's in the handle, so it won't spin in and out. Also comes with this nice sharp awl, so you want to be careful here that you don't poke yourself, but if you need to scratch, it looks pretty sharp. I think you could poke leather with that, and I think you could scrape or scribe metal with that. So that would come in handy. So this is all in this nice little set here, and it rolls up nice and neat. So if this is in the kitchen drawer or it's in your toolbox, either way it's going to be super convenient. So if you need to take a look at this, give a click to the link below and you can go right to House of Tools and see this. And as always, if you can like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. We're trying to build the channel bigger. Thanks. Have a good day.